Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Breaking news. The city of Tshwane has recently arrested member of its official for corruption. Below are some of the arrests. 1. An official from Group Property offered to sell a lease agreement to a business owner for 30,000 rand after the mayor Dr. Nasiphi Moya raided the business and requested the lease. When the mayor's team were alerted of this the next day, the city made sure that by 3 p.m. they had the permission needed to get him arrested. Number 2. Another official from Group Finance was arrested after it was discovered that they were ring-fencing the accounts of people who owed the city money. These people will make regular payments to the official. The official will ensure that Tshwane can't detect the debt in their system. Number 3. Other officials have been arrested for stealing transformers and selling them. Masiqhubeka kuthiwa Tshwane is moving in the right directions. The city, after a new administration took over, investigated 14.4 billion in wasteful spending. 5 officials have been arrested. 349 officials referred for disciplinary actions. 65 criminal referral to law enforcement. 49 control improvements across various divisions. A total number of 1,220 forensic cases were concluded. Uma omasipala abaningi bengathatha isifundo kuDr. Nasiphi Moya nethimba lakhe lonke, i-corruption engaphela. Uma nje bengafika esigabeni la bebeka khona abantu base-South Africa nendawo abayisevayo phambili, singaba nama-reporter nje nsuku zonke. Insuku zonke singaba nama-reporter nje. Ngithe mangikhuluma ngokudlule ngathi uDr. Nasiphi Moya selokhu efikile uyasebenza ngokuzikhandla. Phinde ngakubeka ukuthi yebo unawo amaphutha njengomuntu wonke ophilayo unamaphutha. Futhi ukuba kanawo amaphutha ngabe mina angimsupport. Mina nje ngokwami ngaba ngimsupport ngoba uma ngase ngisupport umuntu ongenaphutha ngizoba nenkinga mzukwane ngalenza mina. Kodwa nje umsebenzi wakhe uyancomeka. Uthe efika nje wayelanda indawo amashop amakhulu abekoloda i-City of Tshwane. Wawakhathela ugesi, wawakhathela amanzi. Wazi wakhatha ngisho isibhedlela. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi sakhuluma kwenziwa ama-tweet, kwenziwa ama-video sithi hawa ke ukhombisa ukuba heartless, ungacisha kanjani ugesi esibhedlela. Kodwa umbuzo ekugcineni owasala wathi engani iyaphuma ibudget njalo for isibhedlela. Kungani isibhedlela sona singabhadali lapha size sikolode 1 million? So kunomuntu o-responsible wayengawenzi umsebenzi wakhe. So kwakufuneka enze njani uDr. Nasiphi Moya? Ezinye zezinto lezi ezenza ngithi usebenza ngokuzikhandla. Simbonile. Into enhle nge-social media ukuthi imisebenzi namandla abantu ngeke ukwazi ukwadla ngoba izinto lezi ziyavela. Nathi senza ama-video nje ukuze sikuhlale siku-update. Siyavota njalo ngonyaka ozayo. Uyamazi umuntu endaweni yangakini o-active. Yeka iqembu leli lezepolitiki olithandayo kodwa abuka umuntu endaweni yangakini o-active. Umuntu o-active ngeke azabe active ngoba sekusondela ukhetho. All along ubelokhu e-active. Nikezani lo muntu lo i-chance ngoba usezibonakalisile ukuthi uzimisele ukusebenza ngokuzikhandla. Okunye futhi efuna ngikubeke, inkinga sinazo kuhulumeni wethu, into esingenayo i-political will. If uDr. Nasiphi Moya le report ade siyifunda nethimba lakhe ngoba uno-MMC abavela ku-EFF nobani njengoba ngisho ukuthi nethimba lakhe laba babambisene nabo, ukube there was no political will, ngabe le report ade siyifunda nabantu abangaka nale mali ekuthiwa investigatiwe zonke lento ezenzekalayo ngaba zenzeki if there was no political will. So uma ubona izinto ezingenzeki, there is no political will. Iyona nto inkinga esinayo. Kanti ekhuluma noDr. Sizwe Mpofu, uDr. Nasiphi Moya SMWX wakhuluma kanje.
Government You get your political parties, then get government as the institution that I always say to my colleagues, government is the last line of defense for the vulnerable in our country. There's no other one who's going to come and say, yes, you can bring civil society, you can do all those things. But we need to get a caring government that understands this country has a history. You must be intentional about correcting the injustices of the past so that you can get others over. You can say, no, the older ones, maybe we've got kids who pass matric, who can't be admitted to higher education institution. Who's doing what about that? Where are those kids going to go? The economy is not growing at a pace that it's supposed to do. What do you think those kids are how do you think they're going to spend their time and energy? And so for me, if I were to get something, is to have government to care. Right now, the civil servants that we have, I don't think they get it, that it actually depends on them to change the trajectory of our country. It pains me. We go to these imbizos, you're looking at Ugogo is taking care of 8 people unemployed in their house. And yes, grants and everything, but we're not transforming this country. That's my worry. We're not transforming this country. Instead, we just compounding the problem. We're not thinking ahead. And so for me, if we can just think about how government as the institution of the people can be used effectively to transform this country, I think I'd be happy.
Well, seyishilo inkinga esinayo Dr. Nasiphi Moyo. We don't have a caring government. We don't have caring civil servants. Labantu bonke sibavotele, we don't have abantu abanothando abasikhathalele. We don't have caring people. Inento esho Dr. Nasiphi Moyo. Yingakho ngithi mawubhekisisa kahle. Into eshodayo nje nesishoda ngayo i-political will. Kuyo yonke le nkinga esikhuluma ngayo. Into eshodayo i-political will. If Dr. Nasiphi Moyo in 1 year bekwazi ukwenza lento nethimba lakhe, imagine makuthiwa labantu baphethe 5 years, imagine ube kuthiwa bonke omasipala banabantu abenza kanje, kungayiwapi? Kodwa kunephuza lishoyo ukuthi kufuneka abantu abazokwazi ukuthi lezwe line history. Ihistory lesingeke size siyibalekele ukuthi for isikhathi eside abantu abamnyama namakhaladi bebecindezelekile. So kuyadingeka ukuthi kuzama ukulungiswa the injustices of the past while ukuqhutshwe kwakiwa phambili. Ziningi iBE yayingolunye lohlelo lokulungisa lezo zinto lezo.
There is a difference between BEE and BBEE, right? The one is broad-based.
Ooh, I love it, yes.
We know that the codes were changed, and there are now 6 elements to what makes up BEE. In my opinion, 3 of those elements speak to how you create entrepreneurs. So supply development, for instance, enterprise development, for instance, both of those target how do you create an entrepreneur? Quite narrowly, actually. The third one around skills development, in particular for people of disadvantaged backgrounds, allows people of color working in companies to be accelerated, to learn, to grow. Now, I come from a corporate background. And so a lot of my growth and learning was precisely because I was in a company that had to put me through accelerated learning. So my growth was accelerated. I then became a very effective entrepreneur. So that speaks to it in an extent. But to the extent to which you talk about things like management control and ownership, the jury is out in that. Here is what the data tells us, and the data are clear on these things, is that at last I checked, between 2004 and 2016, thereabout, we had done over 180 billion rand worth of black economic empowerment transactions. Whilst necessary, we hadn't created 180 billion rand worth of new economic value. And so, in effect, what that actually means, quite simply, is that you didn't build a bigger boardroom, you just changed who was sitting in the chairs.
Ooh.
Now, the consequence of this is, as you know, South Africa over the past 10 years has had an economic growth rate compounded at less than 1%. our population growth compounded is about 2.8%. So the rate at which new people are being born supersedes the rate at which this economy is growing. This is precisely why young people are finishing school today and they can't find work, because this economy they are coming into can't absorb them.
Caphunela le phathi kaVusithembe kwayo ngamabomu ngoba inhloso ye triple BEE eya amendwa Jacob Zuma neThibela ngoba yokuqala kokwi BE okwesibili asiba u triple BEE yayi amendelwa for ini inhloso yayo kwakuyini iyahambelana lento ayishoyo nale ebishiwo uDr Nasiphi Moyo ngesikhathi ayikhuluma no Dr Sizwe Mpofu. Ngicela ukuyibamba le video la kuningi kakhulu ebengisengakufaka kodwa nje ngenxa yokuthi angifuni ukuba ne video ende asibambela nanokuthi ngibalekela ukuthi sibe nama topic amaningi kungcono sibe ne topic eyodwa esikhuluma ngayo ngoba sekuvela ama topic awu3 kugcina lokho kwenza ukuthi singabe sisafocusa kuwonke lamaphuzu ilona lo yathatha iphuzu alibona ukuthi lihambelana naye asibambe le video mina nabe sesidibana kwe video elandelayo ngiyabonga kakhulu.